Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable or disable face unlock for the lock screen in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on lock screen. Now in lock screen, click on screen lock type and then enter your lock screen pin, password or pattern. And after that, here go to the biometrics section, and if you want to disable the face unlock for the lock screen, then turn off this button. And if you want to enable the face unlock for the lock screen, then tap on this button again to turn it on. So with this button you can enable or disable face unlock for the lock screen in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.